Yo, what's up guys? What's up? Yo, welcome. Okay, I'm gonna welcome myself back, just welcome Kitch. It's been a hot while, it's been months. Okay, the last time I was in front of the screen I didn't have hair, and now my hair is back, and away I am back on your screen. It's nice to see you. I see you, but I don't see you, you see me. So I hope you guys are happy to see my face, happy to see me speak again. I am alive, nothing bad happened to me. And we are out of the box, the whole transition. Kitch is out of the box. Kitch has been in the box for a few months now, but we are out now. And I'm gonna try keeping Kitch out like that. So today we're doing an unboxing video, and without wasting you guys' time, let's get into this video. Guys, so today I'll be unboxing a Typo mystery box. It's already unboxed. They already cut it open. They had cotton on. I don't know why they did this, but okay, they opened it already for me, and I took a sneak peek already. So I know what's in here, but you guys don't know. It's a mystery to you. But the reason why I decided to make this video was because even before I bought the box, I was trying to figure out what is in the box, and then I was YouTubing things, trying to find other people who unbox their things. So I can just get an idea of what is in the box you get me, before buying the box even, because I wanted to make sure that it's stuff that I would like, or it will be quiet stuff. And then I didn't find a lot of things. I found a lot, but it was overseas people, people in the UK, in Australia, and I didn't find some African unboxings of a mystery box. So I decided, let me make one, so I can help you guys, so I can help you in South Africa who also wants to get a mystery box. And then you can just watch this video, and then you can figure out what to expect from a mystery box. So I bought the Board AF mystery box, and it's 200 Rand. All of them are 200 Rand, and then yeah, the Board AF one also. But the reason why I chose this box was because it had the most, the discount was better than the other ones, because it has a recommended retail price of 200 and something, or I saved rather more than 50%, a bit just over 50%. So I bought it for 200 Rand, and then we're gonna calculate how much each item cost, and then we will see if I made a bargain or if I got scammed. Okay, but I don't think that Typo will scam me. Typo doesn't do that, guys. So respect. So let's start. Let's check what we got here. So I'm gonna pull out the small things first. So here's a sticker pack, a biggie sticker pack. This thing is mad expensive, you see. But I like it. It's 40 Rand apparently, believe it or not. The sticker pack is 40 Rand. Price is there at the back. So yeah, 40 Rand sticker pack. And then we have, this is a stress ball. Let me open this. It's an adaptable stress ball. It can move and shape however you want it to be. This thing was 70 Rand. 70 Rand for a stress ball. Okay, there we go. It's it has a face. It's shaped like something, you can make it into something. Feels weird. It feels like it's gonna break. It has a funny texture to it, yanda. But this is a stress something, you know. So gang, this looks cool-ish, weirdish. It definitely feels weird. I would rather just get. No, I don't know. I think I broke it now. It's broken. So stress ball thing, stress reliever. It feels nice. There's the sound and the movement. This is cool. This was 70 Rand. And then a art pad, a watercolor art pad that we have here. This was 100 Rand. Watercolor art pad. And yeah, I think I must start drawing. Start being artsy. art pad. Then with the art pad, of course, they had to give me dual. Okay, yo, sorry to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to show you guys how this things like work, or like the dual end rather, so you guys can see this is like a highlight to buzz now. It's like you can still draw with it. That is my art piece. I'm selling it 1,000 rand or nothing. DM me. And then look at the other side. It's like a dual end mostly. So then I thought both two was like the same, but no. And then the other one is like this. Mad swaggy. So get back to the video. End markers. So I think it's dual end, it means it's both two sides. You can like take off and you can do whatever you want to do with it. And then a notebook, a notepad thingamajiggo. Gang, a nice front cover. You guys can see there. Basic, this was 70 rand as well. 70 rand. This is like looks normal. I don't know what these black things are for. It has like funny pocket stuff here. I don't know. But this is cool. At least I can start like doing journal stuff or whatever. Just keep myself organized, you know, gang. And then a coloring book to inspire creativity. This is a coloring book. This is 100 rand. Okay, so there we can see already. It's like 200 rands. So gang, that's like my money. This is 100 rand. This is already 100 rand. So that's 200 rand already. So I got all these items for free basically. This and this and this. 1, 2, 3, 4 items I got for free. Yeah, so I basically got these 4 items for free: the dual end markers and the sticker pack, the notepad, and the stress reliever thingamajiggo. And super cool. This. Oh wow, I think, whoa, this is actually super cool. This is also 100 rand, apparently. It's 100 rand for these few things. It's mad expensive. So, that's already 300 rand here. 300 rand on the side. And then I don't know how much these are, like 70 rand, no, 40, 70, 70. 70 plus 70 is 140. 140 plus 40 is equal to 180. Smart maths, kids. Smart maths. That is why you must watch Kids, because Kids will teach you your basic math literacy. But I think that's it for the unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, like the video. Basically, if you like this content, if you like me, if you like seeing me talk and stuff like that, subscribe to Kids, subscribe to the channel, and do all the cool things, guys. And get yourselves a mystery box if you want one. There's a variety. There are other ones also, like in categories. There's stationery and tools, and then there's like a gadget and tech, board AF, and then there's an IDG AF one, and I'm not sure which other ones are there. But I did not expect any of these items, although I knew I'm gonna get something like this, like the art pad and notebook stuff is because I didn't expect this. I expected to get, like in the other videos, I saw people get like big cushions and they got cups and they got socks and things like that. That's mad cool. But maybe I'm feeling disappointed a bitchy, just a bit disappointed, but it is what it is. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you're gonna stay tuned for more Kitsch content, and I will come through with more Kitsch content. Okay, so peace out, stay safe, peace out.